Hello. So now let me tell you what's happening in the Reliance. So magnify this one. So the Reliance is in the news today. So even before the news, the stock was down in the morning session itself for 10:30, around 7%, and it brought the market also down. So what's the reason is basically the taxing effect which has been come into the picture has been the reason for it. So this news has been captured. You can see the times here, but the stock has already fallen. So, but in the live channels, certain channel they were giving it little bit earlier, but in the print, online print or else online, this information was not available, and these are the times which are being updated. Everything is here. So, but the investor and the trader has to deal with these kind of news sometimes which may be a noise as well. So I will tell you about the noise in the later part. So now how to deal with this one as an investor or trader is a critical component which has to be dealt with. So here you'll be seeing the overall picture of the market and also mainly the which are the things which have come down along with the Reliance. The ONGC also has come down. So the oil producers and and the refineries also has come down, but mainly the oil producers, for example, the Reliance and the ONGCs of the world, has come down significantly because there is somewhere around 6 rupees per liter. The government has added a tax on it for export tax. So if you see directly that 6% has been replicated here. So the 6% directly, but please don't ask why it's not 6% for the ONGCs, but that's where some kind of adjustments happen with respect to a private or also public company. So let's not go into that picture. But as a investor or a trader, certain adjustments you have to do. So this is how the stock reacts. Like for example, that 6% here, 6 rupees per liter. Like you just take 100 rupees as a liter, then directly the 6 rupees is been reflecting here. That's an interesting observation you can make here. But it's a double the thing which is happening here in terms of percentage, normalized percentage terms. Market revolves around percentage. That's another point. Now, how to deal with this one? So, on a wording terms, I will also show you the chart of how to deal with it. Basically, the traders who have caught into this one, probably they should exit the call today. So, not take a delivery. If it is in the intention of the day trade, they have to exit. But anything who wants to enter new, better avoid today and then observe for 2 days. So that is one critical. And long-term investor, really I speak about the Reliance and to an extent about the ONGC low. So it's already in your holding. So probably it should be a long-term investor should be having a significant profit with respect to Reliance because Reliance is falling down from its all-time high. So they have to continue holding it because they are long-term investor. Let's not get into the picture of whether we like it or hate it. Like Reliance is a significant contributor to the Sensex and the Nifty. So in that angle, so certain part of exposure has to be going into the Reliance, but it's not 100%. It has to happen, but you can enjoy the benefits of the Nifty movement proportionately with the Reliance. This is with respect to trading and also with respect to the investing. So this is a separate issue, just an information just to park it on your mind on one side. So what would be the new investor is maybe they can allocate around 30% starting now and then look at the picture how it evolves when the market is coming down. After 3 months to 6 months, they can allocate some more or else they can switch over, not switch over, they can park the fund in different things as well. So this is about the thing. The news and noise which I was telling you is this one. This is actually yesterday news. Like in 10 o'clock, we also told about it. So now when you see this picture, it's a new thing. So now this has become a noise for today's news. So this is how the news noise in the news, how you have to deal with the market. And I also told you about the timings here. You see here, it started falling, but the information comes from certain angle at before phase. But when you dig the information, actually I tried it around certain times from morning 9:30. So certain places in the live channels, I could get some information, but in the print, so you can see the hierarchy of the output of the data of information is available here. So these are all the things which mainly the traders, as at a given point of time, they have to deal with it. And so if at all you are caught already into this market with the Reliance, for example, so what to do? So this is the 1 day pattern here. So it's already in the downtrend. So and today it's making a significant downtrend. So that's why I'm telling you to exit and then watch it for another 1 or 2 days in a trader perspective. So why this one is very critical here is, and new people who want to short it, that they can start a short here and then they can have a stop loss here. That is one thing. Or else they can put a short somewhere here around 2511, so in middle of this one. So they can try that. That is one picture. But the buy side trader, he has to hold on, because the next support level is coming here is this one, 2175. So you take it as 2200. So this is where so if it cuts here today or tomorrow, so it can go all the way here if it doesn't get a support by tomorrow itself when it is breaking with the volume. So that part you have to be very careful. And the shortest on a 1 hour, you can get another time frame where you can go and short. Yeah, so somewhere around 25 to 2550, you can go in for the shorting levels. So this is a new short levels here, and then here 2600, you can go for another short with one to, based on your day or else intra-week trading, 1 to 3% stop losses has to be maintained. So this is how you deal with it. This is our just information. Please do your own research. So thank you very much. And if you like this video, please like and then share with your friends.